Alright guys, we are finally loaded. This thing didn't have the balls to get up here. So anyway, we got 4 points just like we should. Axle over, axle over. We're blocking the garbage truck. Suspension on that, on the back. So anyway, this is going a great far distance, y'all. Oklahoma City to Kansas City. I don't know, we might make it by Friday. It's Monday now. Anyway, guys, we have killed it. We're over 1,000 subscribers now. I still want to keep going. We're going to do that drawing sometime this week when I have a minute. And then be looking for us to be going live a lot. But we're going to do that Guinness Book World Record. We're going to attempt it. What I'm worried about is losing signal while we're doing that. So anyway, hit that like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing shit. We will see y'all Kansas City.